Hello, Sammler und Veranstalter, hello, collectors and trappers all over the world. A new year has started, and I hope that the new year 2022 has started well for every one of you. Today, I want to show you my first restoration in this year, in the year 2022, and this is a restoration of an old school screwdriver I bought years ago on a flea market, I guess, in the Netherlands, and it's a screwdriver manufactured by companies called Marples and Sons in Sheffield, in England. And let's get started. I hope you enjoy my video. So now the screwdriver has 3 coatings, and now I will cut off the tape. Now the tape is gone, and you see the result of my first restoration this year, 2022. And this is a wonderful screwdriver made by a factory called Marples and Sons in Sheffield in England. And I think this screwdriver looks quite good. What do you think about it? I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye, have good days all over the world.